Step 1. Tracing and tracking. You will be provided with a layout plan that contains all measurements needed to position the SOPRASOLAR pedestals. It is essential to check that all roof measurements are correct before proceeding with the tracing. With the help of a tape measure and a straight line marking chalk, mark the waterproofing membrane according to the layout plan provided. For large-scale projects, consider the use of a land surveyor who will help you conduct the measurements with precision. Step 2. Welding the SOPRASOLAR pedestal. For a secure bond between the pedestal and the waterproofing membrane, the area will need to be degranulated. Using a trowel, mark a square at the location where the pedestal will be placed. Using a propane torch, heat the underside of the pedestal until the thermofusible film melts. Then heat the degranulated area where the pedestal will be installed. Heat the underside of the pedestal again and immediately install the pedestal onto the area applying pressure. Seal the perimeter of the membrane to obtain a proper adhesion. Unlike supports that are mechanically fastened to the roof, the installation of the SOPRASOLAR system does not require any drilling or ballast. The SOPRASOLAR system makes it possible to link the panel and the waterproofing membrane without piercing it, which could compromise the waterproofing system of the roof. Step 3. Installation of the raisers, raiser blocker and pedestal cover. It is essential to install the upper and lower raisers in the right position. Assemble the raisers onto the pedestal and secure it with a raiser blocker so it stays in place. Place the clamps on the top edge of the raisers. The raiser's edge will allow the clamps to move into the right position. In this step, it is important to prepare the wiring run. Adjust the pedestal height until you get the correct inclination, according to the installation plan. Finalize by sliding the pedestal covers into the indicated raisers. Step 4. Installation of solar panels. The panels must be manipulated carefully with 2 hands, and the frame of the solar panel must not be used as a handle. Center the panels on top of the raiser following the installation plan. The electrical connections must be placed in a suitable location out of any water. Connect the panels to the electricity network. This and the following steps must be done by a licensed electrician. Adjust the alignment of the panels, then tighten the screw on the clamps. To finish the installation, connect the panels to earth ground and fix all loose cables onto the panel's frame.